What's up, investors? This is your Power Hour update here on TipRanks. I'm your host, Richard Allen. It's May 24th, 2021. I hope you all had a great weekend. In this show, I want to give you the most up-to-date information before the market closes so you can make the most informed, data-driven decisions when you're investing in the stock market. So in this episode, we're going to go over the major indices and how they're doing. We're also going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the biggest movers and shakers in the market, the top gainers and the top losers, and a few bits of news that I think you need before the market closes. So let's jump right over to TipRanks.com. You can see right up top here, the major indices are all in the green today. The S&P 500 over 4,200 points, up 1.16% on the day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average up almost 0.7% on the day. And the NASDAQ inching closer to 14,000 points, up almost 2% on the day. And let's take a peek at Bitcoin. The crypto roller coaster continues. Bitcoin up almost 7% on the day. When I checked earlier, they were over almost at $38,000 per Bitcoin. And crypto roller coaster is right. Ethereum, Bitcoin are both down 50% from their peaks not that long ago, set within the last couple months. So massive correction in the crypto world. But talking about corrections and gains and losses, let's go over the biggest movers and shakers here in the market today. If we scroll down, this is TipRanks.com. Scroll down. This is our stocks on the move section where you can see which stocks are moving up and down. Today, your top gainer in the number one spot is VRTV, ticker symbol VSTM, up over 25% on the day. Fantastic movement here. And space, Virgin Galactic actually had a successful flight this weekend, and they are moving because of that. They're up 18% on the day. Amazing movement here for SPCE. Then we have VRTV is the ticker symbol here, up 18% on the day. And number 4 spot, we have ticker symbol MCF, or Contango Oil and Gas Company, up over 13% on the day. And then we have INBX. I'm sure I said that right. I probably didn't, but that's okay. Ticker symbol INBX, up almost 13.5% on the day. Now, let's give a medal to the top losers here. Look at this. NGM Biopharmaceuticals down almost 40%. Wow, 40% on the day. Not sure what happened with those guys, but it's not a good day for people invested in NGM. Hey, unless you're looking for a bargain. Number 2 on the list is Puxin, ticker symbol NEW, down 21% on the day. In the 3rd spot, TAL Education Group, ticker symbol TAL, down 18% on the day. In the 4th spot, we have China Online Education Group, ticker symbol COE, down almost 18% as well. And then rounding out the bottom 5 top losers of the day, we have New Oriental Education Tech, EDU is the ticker symbol there, down almost 15% on the day. Now, we're going to talk about some news here. Let's just jump over, go back to the top of the website here on TipRanks.com, click news. We got lots of cool news for you guys to cover, so please check out the website here. First, we're going to check out this article here on Plug Power and Ballard Power Systems. It says, which hydrogen fuel cell stock could fetch higher returns? Now, if we take a peek at this article here, it goes in depth in the hydrogen industry. It talks about the differences between these two companies, different partnerships they have, how they're doing in revenue, numbers, fundamentals, all that kind of stuff. And I want you to jump over to tipranks.com and check out this article. It's a fantastic article here. But I want to go over expectations for these two companies because I know you want to get into the meat and potatoes of what's going on in the market. So, Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG, was one of the top favored YouTube and Robinhood stocks out there last year, and it's not doing too bad. Right now, you can see in the charts that they've had some major corrections in the past couple months, but every growth sector stock has had a major correction after the the middle of January, end of February kind of thing. They've dropped a lot since then. However, if you take a peek at Plug Power, again, ticker symbol PLUG, this comes in with 16 analyst ratings, rating Plug Power with a moderate buy, with an average upside of 77.73%. So check out Plug Power. But how is Ballard doing compared to how analysts feel about Plug? Here we go. Also coming in with a moderate buy based on 13 analyst ratings with an average upside of 51%. Both of these stocks, however, have had a major correction in the past few months, and it's no wonder that analysts are quite bullish on these two companies in the long term. In other hydrogen news, we have Cummins and Iberdrola out of Spain partnering together for large-scale hydrogen products in Spain. The alliance will expedite the production of green hydrogen in Spain and lead to the creation of a new industry around the production of electrolyzer systems with significant growth opportunities. Now, Cummins, ticker symbol CMI, is slightly down on the day, but if we look at the analyst ratings here, this is rated as a moderate buy based on 14 analyst ratings with an average upside of just over 14%. And then if we take a peek at Iberdrola here, ticker symbol IBDRY on the OTC exchanges, slightly down today as well. My guess is we'll have more analyst ratings after this partnership with Cummins. This is coming in with one analyst rating it as a moderate buy. However, this analyst ratings was 3 months ago with now an average downside of 74%. So my guess is we'll see some more analyst ratings coming up relatively soon now that they've done this deal with Cummins. So check out Iberdrola over the next couple days or so here on TipRanks.com. Now, lastly, I want to talk about NIO. NIO is renewing their key joint manufacturing agreements, and we're seeing some big upside for NIO as well. So let's take a peek at NIO. Look at this forecast for NIO. NIO's up almost 6% on the day. It's coming in as a moderate buy based on 10 analyst ratings with an average upside of over 66%. Now, I know NIO is a lot of people's favorite EV stock aside from Tesla and some of the other cool ones. NIO is a Chinese EV company, and they're strengthening these manufacturing agreements that they have with big manufacturers in China. So this is exciting for NIO, and I can see why analysts are giving this some massive, massive upside for NIO. And not that long ago, NIO was over $50 per share, and I'm thinking it can get back there relatively soon. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for your TipRanks Power Hour update here on the TipRanks YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I'll post here every day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, and you can see Julie in the morning before the market opens. Before the bell dings, guys, you get all your news that you need to make the best decisions when you're investing in the stock market. That's what you find here on TipRanks. So thank you so much for joining me for another video, and I'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern.